On this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen, we're going to bring you a delicious, easy-to-make recipe, and we have a fantastic dish for you, a chicken zucchini skillet. It's a perfect one-pan meal that is packed with flavors and straightforward to prepare. Let's get started. First, you got to prep your ingredients. It would be best to cut a chicken breast into bite-sized chunks. You do that by removing any excess fat or skin from the chicken breast. Then, using a sharp knife, slice the chicken breast into strips and cut those strips into bite-sized pieces. Be sure to cut them evenly so that they cook evenly. If you don't do that, you're going to end up with some chicken that may be underdone, some chicken that may be overdone. It's not the best thing. Moving on to the tomatoes. It's best that you just cut them right down in the middle. I like to cut mine across. You might like to cut yours lengthwise. Either way, by cutting them in half, you ensure they cook uniformly in this skillet. Doing this also gives them more surface area, exposes their soft little innards to the heat, so you get more evenly cooked and delicious tomatoes. Like I said, sharp knife down the center. Set them aside, we'll add them later. Now, after your tomatoes, let's do your zucchini. I'm going to presume that you've washed it, okay? Use a little knife, cut off both ends. Then use your vegetable peeler. I've got the finger ripper, you've got your favorite. Anyway, cut that zucchini long strips, remove that skin. If you don't want to remove the skin, that's cool, leave it there. It's up to you, it's your dish. We're cooking here, we're not baking. There's an art here. All right, but after we cut that skin off, we're going to use our food chopper, and we're going to cut that zucchini using the food chopper into uniform pieces. That way, every part of the zucchini cooks perfectly. Or better yet, they all cook the same. Hopefully they all cook perfectly, but they will all cook the same. That's our prep work. You know, when you prepare ahead of time, whether it's the chicken, the zucchini, the tomatoes, whatever, it just makes it easier to cook the dish. Takes a lot of the stress out of it. Now, once you've prepped, you're ready to go. Heat your skillet up over a medium-high heat. Put in some olive oil and let it heat up. Okay? Once your olive oil is heated, add your chicken and let them cook until they are thoroughly cooked. Okay, now you're going to take that chicken, you're going to move it out of the skillet, set it aside. And then you're going to put your zucchini in there. Okay, you want to cook them until they're tender, but you still want them a little bit crisp. You don't want them mushy. Once you've cooked your zucchini, you can start adding your other ingredients. We add mushrooms. We like mushrooms. Then add some garlic. You want to put your chicken and tomatoes back in. Then let them simmer a bit. Okay, turn that heat down. Let them simmer. Give them a stir. Combine those flavors. Now, if you want any other spices, this is where we're going to do it. You know, add salt and pepper. You may add some paprika, some Italian seasoning, whatever's to your taste. Make it to your taste. Okay? Let it continue simmering. Let those flavors meld. And then, once you've got it to kind of the consistency that you want with your zucchini, it's not too hard for you, it's not too soft. Your tomatoes, they're not mushy, but they're not, like raw. You're ready to plate it. Plate it up, put it on a beautiful plate, put it in a bowl. Make something special out of it, and then top it off with some feta cheese. Feta goes great on this dish. Just like that, you have a mouth-watering chicken zucchini skillet. It's ready. You can have some rice with it, you can have some, fresh bread, but it's ready to eat. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notify button, tell your friends. You want to know when the next episode from Ghost Host Kitchen is coming. Till next time, thanks for watching.